Hey, what's up guys? So here I have a Streamlite TLR6 rail mount, and fit most of the Glocks that has a rail mount. This is a light and laser, or light laser together. Pretty cool. This video is basically going to be about unboxing it, and then I'll do another video on installing it to the Glock. So let me show you a little bit about it, and next video will be coming up. I don't want to make the video too long. So battery placement with unit mount on handgun. So basically your battery replacement will be in the bottom. You do not have to take it apart. Once it's on your pistol, you're good to go. Fit most Glocks, rails, handguns. So you can go to their website and it will show you exactly what gun you can use it on. 3 mode operation: white light, 1 hour runtime, white light red laser 1 hour, and red laser only 11 hours. So that's pretty cool. So let's get it open and show you a little bit and show you how it looks in the dark. So excited. I did buy another laser and it seemed not to work, so I had to send it back. So I decided to get a real good one. So you do get an Allen key so you can set your laser. You have it right here. Beautiful. You have your laser in the bottom, your light on top. You can see right here it goes against your trigger. This is the power button, and your battery slot, it's right here. Okay, put your battery right in there. You have your adjusting screws, which is right here and right here. And when you're putting it together, you take these 3 out, you put it on the gun, and you put it back together. So you do have a button press on both sides. Okay, so let's get the batteries in. So you do use a very big battery just like this. Okay. So that goes up, it goes down. Okay, here you go. So it is on. So let's turn off the light and let's check it out. Okay. So press it, get your laser. If you press it once, laser come on and off. You press both. Now you have a laser and a light. You can see it right there. Press both, you just have a flashlight. Very bright. Again, press both, you have just your laser. Press it again, you have your laser and your light. Final, your light. Very nice. I will do an upcoming video on installing it into my Glock and adjusting the screws. Awesome. Very nice. I love that it has the same shape of the trigger. Awesome. Well, upcoming video soon.